What's going on YouTube? This is yours truly, Dre the Plug, coming at you live with some more technical heat. I'm gonna just jump right back into my solo videos. I got plenty of people that keep hitting me up saying, when are you gonna get back into, doing the electronic reviews? I got companies, sponsorships that I just been putting on hold because of all of the interviews. They're like, when are you gonna get right back into the lab and, review some of our products? So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna just go back to doing my normal solo videos. Definitely go check out all the interviews that I pretty much dropped of a lot of other engineers from all across the country. But I'm about to get right back into it. I'm gonna get right back into this technical heat. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button below. Make sure y'all hit that bell below so y'all can stay notified every single time I drop new technical heat. Besides that, let's get into it, man. I'll roll the clip. Okay, so let's jump into another one of my sponsorships. So this one specifically is a electronic alarm clock. So basically, as you guys know, alarm clock, they typically always have the time, but this one also have, the specific day of the week, the day, the month, and then on top of that, you can actually get the temperature inside of your house. Okay, so jumping into my button settings, right? So I have my snooze. We all know what the snooze button do. Then we have our set. You have your 24 hours, standard military time, and then you have your regular 12-hour standard time. Then you have your temperature if you want to read the degrees inside of your house in Fahrenheit or Celsius. I know my Canadian people, they're more so familiar with the Celsius. And then you have your alarm set, and lastly, you have the timer. Okay, so this is how it's powered. You can plug it up to the wall, or you have the option to where you can just unplug it, and then you can just use these batteries right here and have them powered on through the battery. So you have two options. You also have this kickstand right here that allow you to dock it, or if you don't want to do that, close it up. You have these hooks right here. You just hang it up on your wall. So the alarm clock also comes with a remote. As you guys can see right here, all of the buttons, all of the settings that I just went over, it ties in with this remote right here. So anything that you can do on the clock, you can also do with the remote. So you have two options. Also, it comes with a pretty legit manual sheet. So I mean, if you want to change anything, the time, the specific day, the temperature, AM, PM, the alarm, you can definitely reference this manual sheet and it will definitely help you out for sure. And like I said, you have two options. You have the buttons and you have the remote. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in and actually take my alarm and just show you guys some of the different settings that you can use. And more importantly, I feel like it wouldn't be a legit alarm clock review if I don't actually show you guys how it sounds off and how to set that part specifically. Let's get into it. I'm really gonna just run through the buttons from top to bottom to make it real short and sweet. Like I said, if you really wanna go in and deep dive into your exact times, exact days, exact temperatures, you have the instruction manual, so I'm not gonna just waste time with that. Okay, so jumping into some of the buttons, I'm gonna just go from top to bottom. English, 2021. Okay, so I just set my alarm. Just hit the alarm button. I just went and I changed the alarm one, turned it on, and I set it to 9:03. As you guys can see, the little bell right here, that lets you know that's on. So now we'll just wait 1 minute until it changes and you'll hear it sound off. Then I just press the alarm set button to turn it off. Something else that I wanted to point out was the fact that you could change the brightness of the clock. So if I switch it to low, this will be how bright it will be. And then if I go and change it, you can see it's much higher. Low, higher, lower, higher. It definitely makes a difference in person. Okay, so let's jump into the length and the width of the digital alarm clock, right? So it's 18 inches by 5 inches. So if you guys really wanted to just, pinpoint how big this clock will be in person, there you go. I definitely feel like this is perfect for anybody who have like a sporty feel of a house, or the whole room is decorated in a specific sporting event. This is live because it's basically resembles a shot clock, if you ask me. So definitely, if there's something you're interested in, hit that link down below. And that concludes this review, that concludes this sponsorship. Thank you for watching. And that concludes this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. It really do help my channel when it comes down to the YouTube algorithm. If you guys have any questions regarding anything, just hit me up on Instagram, hit me up on the gram at DreThePlug123. And then also go check out my other YouTube channel. This is actually my second channel. My first one was called Andre ClassicCuts. I basically go in and give tutorials about all types of different haircuts. I actually show people how to do different type of things with the clippers that has never been done, and I pretty much go into detail as to why certain things happen. So definitely go check out that channel. Besides that, be on the lookout for my next content that's dropping. Be on the lookout for it because it's coming real soon. And I'm out.